Continuing Professional Development, or CPD, is all about learning new skills and acquiring new knowledge. Storfa Sgiliau is the secure online tool which records your CPD journey. CPD can cover both personal and business development. All new skills you learn and knowledge you acquire can help you work more efficiently, more safely, more sustainably, more profitably. Storfa Sgiliau is your personal record. Utilize it. Update it regularly. Make it work for you. It's the perfect online tool which will set out your professional development journey to date. Storfa Sgiliau will enable you to access a downloadable or digital report setting out all your skills and training, all relevant academic, professional achievements, certificates and diplomas, evidence of training undertaken for farm assurance schemes and supply chain organisations. You can also access guidance and learn how to produce an up-to-date standout CV. All Farming Connect training courses you've completed and certificates gained will be uploaded for you. So will all knowledge transfer activities you have attended and any other Farming Connect projects or services. You can add any additional information you want to record yourself under My Space, such as information about a degree you've gained, any professional qualifications, any work experience, or even any relevant overseas activity. All Farming Connect training courses and knowledge transfer activities are either fully funded or funded up to 80%. If you are new to Storfa Sgiliau, this is what you need to know. You must be registered with Farming Connect and log into BOSS via Sign On Cymru. Remember that if you need assistance with any part of the Storfa Sgiliau process, one-to-one help is always available. If you need support, contact your local Farming Connect Development Officer, or your selected training provider, or the Farming Connect Service Centre. Continuing professional development is already off to a great start. Storfa Sgiliau is the tool you need to continue your journey. To find out more about CPD and Storfa Sgiliau, visit the Farming Connect website.